Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I'm going to show you how to create folders on a home screen on this device. So to create folder, you just have to drag one application and drop it on another, and the folder will be created automatically. You can just add another application to this folder, and that's how it's done. Create, for example, another folder like this, and then drop this application on another, and now you have this another folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.